अच्छे से कर लेंगे. वर्णम प्रीति पदम जावली and then I said that last one Tillana and then Rag Mallika. Understood? Yes, where it has been mentioned Gandharva Veda. Yes, Gandharva Veda, that is Rupa Veda, first time science. Jaminia Brahman, it is in a dance and music. And then Kausitiki Brahmana, dance, music and instrument. And then we have seen Bharata's Natya Shastra, it is in the first time, it has been earliest one, where there is in the 6 chapters we have seen, it has been described about. And then I said that 7 swaras and 22 Shrutis. 7 swaras and then Jatis are made Vina and all, and then Arohi and Arohi. And then we have seen that Saman is what is the origin of all music from there, and then Saman initially, and then it has how many notes? 3 notes, then 4 and 5, and thereafter 6 and 7, and those who used to sing it, it is known as a Talvakara. And then Brahmanas and Upanishad has also talking about the spirituality of what I said, that Saman music. Understood? So we have been able to see the reason I said that Babur, Mughal era means, and then I said that so many years ago it has witnessed, but we have to start with the recent one. Kya hai? Babur not only liked music but himself wrote poetry. Also, he is liking music as well as poetry. Itna yaad rakhna hai, Babur is liking music and also writing poetry. And who is also liking, like in case of understanding of music, he was Bachcha. So he favored one of the Bachcha means kids. So he is itself a fond of musician and singer. Bachchu was a royal musician of his court. Who is the royal musician? Bachcha. So Humayun was Bachcha. And thereafter I said the ruler last dynasty under the Hemu, Adil Shah. Suri dynasty ka last ruler kaun tha? Adil Shah. And then Adil Shah under the Hemu, and Adil Shah was also the lover of, I said that, music. And then he has given, what is a mansabdar, a reason of, it is a mansab diya jata that you belongs to this, there is some kind of ranks in the society, in their courts, and then mansab has been given, and that is known as a mansabdar of 10,000 villages. And then I said that Sur dynasty Anand Sai has given what mansab to the one of the what is a famous musician on Bhagat. Which one I said that? Bhagat. Understood? And किसने दिया? So first हमने किसके बारे में बोला? Babur, then Humayun, then Suri. यही आपको order है. And after the Suri dynasty, after this Sher Suri dynasty, Akbar. And Akbar में famous person was Abu Fazl. Who was there? And who has written Akbar Nama? Who has written, I said that, Akbar Nama. And Abu Fazl has written so many things in the Akbar Nama, and he also mentioned that there is around 36 poets are there. How many? I said, how many poets are there? 36, and it has been divided their duty. It has been divided their duty that it is this day, they will sing the music. Understood? This way we can be able to say, yes, tell me, divided the music and they have been sung by it, and one of the ruler was there, and its name was what? Baj Bahadur. He was one of the ruler who has been lifted, and he also one of the famous singer, Baj Bahadur. So we have understood about this one. But a part of it, Ram Tanu Pandey. Who is there? Ram Tanu Pandey, that has got the title of Mia Tansen. Mia Tansen. And then I said that Ram Tanu Pandey, I said that received the title of Mia, and from the Emperor Akbar was the best singer during the Akbar's time. Abul Fazl has said that in the whole history at the time, no one is matching with the Tansen. No one is matching with Tansen. This is the kind of, I said that Abul Fazl has been able to talk about. And Akbar may be song ko samajhne ke liye, to understand Urdu he was knowing also, but Hindi and the Hindi Sahitya and how to, what is a vocalization of it, pronunciation of it, he learned through the what? Kalwant, Lal Kalwant, or what is a Mia Lal. Understood? So So what are the important thing about the Akbar? Abul Fazl, who has given the idea about it? Abul Fazl Akbarnama has given the idea that who has the good knowledge of what is music about the Akbar period? Akbarnama of Abul Fazl. And how many in the court? How many poets are there around? And singers are there? 36. And then I said that one of the important words is Baz Bahadur. And then Ram Tanu Pandey was, I said that he was one of the, Pandit, you know that, and he has been converted later on the Muslim, and then he has also accepted the Silsila order. And then I said, हमने क्या बोला? His name title has been given Mia. Title Mia Tansen. He become Mia, and then another who has make him to learn vocalization of Hindi. It is what is it? Lal Kalwant, and it is known as Mia Lal. And thereafter his teacher was what is Swami Hari Das of Vrindavan. किसके teacher? Tansen के. Who was the teacher? Swami हरि दास. जब जैसा बंदा होगा उसको सिखाने वाले का नाम भी क्या होना चाहिए? हरि की तरह होना चाहिए. Then he can be able to give the good. What is the name? So Swami Hari Das of Vrindavan taught music to Tansen. And then Akbar is said to have presented Tansen with the reward of 2 lakh rupees on the hearing his music, and Abul Fazl, the says the Mia Tansen, a singer like him, has not been known in India for the last thousands of years. In the whole world, he was uncomparable portion. Tansen is credited with the discovery of Veena. Veena has been converted into, I said that, Rudra Veena. And this Rudra Veena is utilized in the, along with Pakwas. In the, I said that one of the Pakwas is an instrument, in the Drupad it is utilized. Drupad is instrument utilized, and along with which one? Rudra Veena. And who has given Rudra Veena? Tansen. Who has given Rudra Veena? Tansen. Understood? Yes. And thereafter I said that he has given some ragas. कौन से ragas? मियाँ तोड़ी. मियाँ ने मेरी तोड़ दी. क्या कर दी? तो जब तोड़ दोगी, you will be happy or unhappy? So when the songs are sung during the unhappy kind of this, it is known as what? मियाँ ने मियाँ तोड़ी. मियाँ की मल्हार. मियाँ की, आपको याद होगा, समझ में आ जाएगा. मियाँ की, मियाँ को क्या पहनाया गया? तोड़ी. फिर उसके बाद मल का हार. And then I said that Darbari Kannada. Which one I said that? So which are what is a famous raga given by Mr. Tansen? Yes, tell me. Miya Todi, Miya Malhar, and then I said that raga Malhar, and then I said Darbari Kannada. Darbari Kannada. सारा यहाँ पे नहीं तो सारी कनाडा नहीं है, ये कान. And then other famous musician during the court of Tansen, the second most important, Baba Ramdas. Who is the second most important after Tansen during the Mr. I said that during the Akbar period after Tansen, who is the second most important person was Baba Ramdas. Next for J for Jahangir, J for Jagan and Janardhan. J for after the Akbar, who can? Akbar period was what is 1556 to 1605, and 1605 to 1627 and 1628 Jahangir. And the J for Jahangir, J for Jagan and Janardhan. Which are the two famous musicians I am talking about? Jahangir. And Jahangir was famous for painting. Yes, remember, Jahangir is famous for, but he loves music and also. But architecture may he has given, I said that white marble. Remember that? And Pietra Dura. I said that Jahangir kept in his court a large number of musicians. Jahangir was himself the author of many Hindi songs, and Muhammad Shah and his brothers, I said that, was great singers of, I said that, Hindi songs, and Jagannath and Janardhan Bhatt of Bikaner were the great musicians. So I said that Muhammad Shah or unke brother, and also there is a Jagannath, and then I said that Janardhan Bhatt of Bikaner were the very great musician in the court of J for Jahangir, J for Jagannath, and J for Janardhan Bhatt. And along with the who, I said that Muhammad Shah. Thereafter coming of what is I said that Jahangir, after that who will come? शाहजहां. एंड देन शाहजहां में देखेंगे तो देयर इज एन बाबा रामदास. डू यू नो दैट? अकबर पीरियड में सेकेंड मोस्ट. तब तक तानसेन नहीं रहे. ही पेट्रोनाइज्ड. तानसेन तो पहले ही मर गए थे.